go walking in the morning. I wonder if it's going to be good weather today. It started to become cloudy some way, isn't it? And good morning, Montalban. It's by Banera, September 29. September 29. And it is Sunday. What happened to that car? Pretty sure there won't be any excitement today. I hope. That bowl we saw yesterday was kind of fascinating. Let's buy some bread on our way back. Maybe we won't. Maybe tomorrow we'll just have something else. I think that this morning there were a lot of stars. Now it's all gone. It became cloudy. Somebody seems to be stopping. Most likely I'll bet that's key. Or not. That is good. Oh, garbage. They're early today. Normally they're late. Now they're early. Wow. The wall. The walls on the riverside are being filled with wall art. Wall art. Let's see if we can cross this road without any secret maneuvers. Tired from yesterday. Wow. Now I think we need to. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yep. Yep, did it. Legs are still tired from yesterday. Fascinating to see that when you see starting church at this time, majority are seniors. And it's a lovely bridge. So it's called the Ampid Bridge. I wonder if Ampid is the cat. The vet. It's like they're bringing the heavy guns. Oh no! Patio Isabel. Looks like it's nearly finished. Nearly finished. I don't like the look of the sky. Looks like it's gonna rain. man, I gotta get gone through here. I've never seen so much ambulance in my life since the pandemic. Always ambulance, ambulance. There's hardly a day without an ambulance. The garbage alley. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Everywhere you look, it's garbage. I think this is the most garbage-laden place. And the rest are just follow-ups. And the latest, obviously, you know what I'm going to say, but that's it. Oh man, they're gonna rebuild this again. Never finished. Sometimes a simpler solution is just a dumpster. To do the job. No matter how much they keep on making the drain pipes large, they don't take care of the garbage. Won't end the floods. Nearly there. Getting busier. It's busier, that means we're getting closer to the town. Hey, yes, here we are. I don't know if this is a better time. Bears, only lunch, only rice or only rice? There's a lot of people at that rice depot. Wonder what's up. So when you're looking from this side, you can see how the a portion of the mountain has been carved up. Yeah. Zamboanga boys. Okay, little. I'm naming some of the plants. Trying to avoid water. I'm trying to avoid water. driving at good speed. I hope it doesn't slow down. Slowing down. Slowing down. Look at the duck, please. Looks like the road is drier now. Let's hope I don't have to oil the drivetrain. Oh yeah. We're here. It's avoiding water. That's my breakfast this morning. Tuna and egg. Tomorrow we'll have eggs. Cheese. Yeah, or cheese. Eggs and bacon. Bacon. We finally get to see bananas. Probably getting some nice. That's good. We are now at the bananas. Banana. No, there doesn't. Don't look like any bananas today. Oh, banana. Maybe inside. Let's check. As usual, there don't seem to be any bananas here today. Okay. Maybe they haven't harvested yet. I saw some outside, so we'll check that out. There are days they are just abundant. You can actually appreciate those stones. And those are the same stones you see at the river. So that river was carved out a large portion. Probably. Or maybe when they made the dam. Stones are probably just use a blower. Ah, there you go. Look at that. Good job. Maybe we can just buy it somewhere. That's not. If you there's no banana, you just bicycle like it. There are days, and there are days. Oh, okay. There are days and there are days. I forgot about my my peanut brittle. Golly, I forgot about it. I should put in the fridge. We're now back at the yard. Now, as you recall, a few days ago, there was a lot of stalls at the sidewalk, sidecam. They're all gone now. Activities are over. Whether they made it, but all this garbage. They made up their investment. Mass has ended. Walk out! Walk out! Walk out! Nothing I can do but to look for. Where is it? Unbelievable. Would you believe not a single cooking banana? What's happened to the cooking bananas? There they are. I got the banana. Lucky. But I had to pay a good price. Last time I got it for free. It's not. Okay. Alright. I didn't buy bread today. There's the queue. 30 kilometers at 23 kilometers per hour.